In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Tidio to Mailchimp. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Tidio panel like you usually would. You'll also need to have a Mailchimp account already in existence. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the left-hand menu once you have logged into your account and go down to integrations down here. From here, it should look something like this once you click on all integrations and scroll down until you see Mailchimp right here. As you can see here, connect Tidio with Mailchimp, and you can click learn more here. From here, you'll be able to add the install button up here, click on that, and then it should look something like this. And here you can see the first step is to click the button below to add a new authentication. You'll need to log into your Mailchimp account in the pop-up window. And step 3 is to click the allow button. From here, you'll need to go down to new authentication. And as you can see right here, you'll have authentication name, and then you'll need to click create. From here, a new page will be popping up. And here you can add in your username. You can log in with your Google account, or you can create a new account if you want to do that. From here, it should look something like this with Authenticate Tidio. Once you scroll down, you'll see this allow button over here and just click allow. Then you'll please wait. And once that is done, then you can see authentication for this specific thing. Mailchimp account has successfully been created. From here, you'll need to click next, and then you'll need to choose an audience. And here you can type in one that is suitable for you and then click finish. Then from here, you have successfully integrated Mailchimp with Tidio. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!